On loop electronics. The alpha gate peeking out.
Project number 16, Sound, Attack and Decay, Mk12. This assumes a conventional ADSR where the sustain continues at the same level as the decay, till the release ramps to 0. The most common kind of envelope generator has 4 stages: attack, decay, sustain, and release, ADSR. Set the attack and decay levels of the ADSR. Attack is the time taken for initial run-up of level from nil to peak, beginning when the key is pressed. Decay is the time taken for the subsequent rundown from the attack level to the designated sustain level. In the typical synthesizer, the attack stage begins when a key is pressed. The attack stage usually offers control of duration, that is, the amount of time it takes to ascend to a high voltage level after the key is pressed. When used to modulate a VCAs level, this allows for everything from very sudden, abrupt note onsets to slow swells that gradually fade in from nothingness. VCAs have many applications, including audio level compression, synthesizers and amplitude modulation. After the attack stage has reached its end, the highest point in the envelope's cycle, the decay stage commences. The decay stage also offers definable duration, in this case, the amount of time it takes to fall from this high level. By using moderate attack and decay times and a relatively low, one can create sounds that begin with a swelled attack, a sound that increases in volume, decreases in volume, and then settles in at a low, continuous volume.
Now, the attack and release. So, butts and here, butts here and here, ground, power and power, power and power, ground, and butts for attack and release. Here and here. And that's it. Now the Arduino Pro Mini, pots and pots, speaker, and here, simple. This, the pots here, frequency, and now release, decay, and simple. Here, this, the pots for the keyboard, and release and decay, and pots for release and decay. Simple. And keyboard and this, which this. So now see the programming and is good. So compiling and Arduino download for, and that's it. Now the programming in C. Good. So good. But now and this attack and release, and that's it. So is the synthesizer in attack and release, and that's it. Bye bye.
The Alpha Geek. J. Luke Paquin, Curriculum Vitae. Don Luke Electronics. JLP Consultants. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram.